Hello and welcome. I hope that you are having a fantastic day. Today we're going to talk about cryptocurrency news, and in the news is the crypto bloodbath. The price of Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market as a whole is all in red. The PlusToken scam, is it affecting the price of Bitcoin? And finally, is YouTube enacting a crypto purge? Let's get into it. Crypto investing ideas to help you take profits and avoid losses. That's what our channel is all about. Help us out. Can we get 99 likes on this video? Smash the like button. It really helps us a lot. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. So Bitcoin slips below 7,400, and they printed this article a little bit too early because as of right now, Bitcoin is at $6,282, and you can see there's not very many coins that are trading in the green at the moment. Everything is red. So we really have kind of a sea of red at the moment. You know, Bitcoin is down by 20% in the last 24 hours. It's bouncing around. It was a little bit lower than it is right now. So things are not looking very good at this particular moment. So Bitcoin price sheds another 7%. Well, it shedded 20%. So anyway, not good. Now, does this persuade me? Does this change my opinion about Bitcoin's future? It does not. I'm surprised that it's happened. There's a lot of different things that are affecting the price of Bitcoin this week, and one of those could be the PlusToken scam. Now, there's the PlusToken is a situation where a number of scammers actually created a wallet, and as they promised that people would get a really large percentage of interest back on by depositing cryptocurrency into this wallet. They promised 12%, 8%, 14% returns. Unfortunately, instead of people getting these big returns when they deposited money into this wallet, the wallet actually just stole their Bitcoin. And so around $1.3 billion worth has been sold off in the past 7 months, with the report noting that distribution increases into market strength and pauses with market weakness. OXT found that nearly 70% of the total hoard had been distributed to date, meaning that most of the PlusToken market effect has largely passed. So is this drop in price today because the people who enacted this PlusToken Ponzi scheme is selling off their Bitcoins that they had stolen from people? It's quite possible. We know that earlier in the week that was the case. This has happened so recently that the price has dropped that we just don't have the information yet. We'll probably have more information from companies like OXT Research and Chain Analysis will probably give us more information either later in the day or possibly in the coming days or weeks. And so hopefully we'll know more very, very soon. And then the last thing that we wanted to cover today is crypto purge continues for prominent channels on YouTube. And so there's about 3 or 4 different YouTube channels that have had videos removed because YouTube has deemed them harmful or dangerous content, and yet they were only talking about cryptocurrency. And so this happened back in December as well. There were about 8 or 10 channels that had their entire channel taken offline. 8 or 10 different YouTube channels that are all cryptocurrency related channels, and they took all the videos. They took the entire YouTube channel. In this case, they've only taken a select few videos. As of this article being published, I think there were 3 or 4 different videos that were taken offline, and the YouTubers were getting warnings. But at the moment, we don't have any reports of it being any bigger than that. So that's the news today. How could I be of service to you? If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you disagree with me, we love to hear your polite disagreements. Look, you know things I don't know. I know things you don't know. And when we share what we know, we'll both grow smarter together. I want to grow smarter together with you. Leave your polite disagreements down below. I would love to hear from you. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and hodl. And I hope that you have a fantastic day.